guys, good morning and welcome back to another video. So today I will be doing a wig review, wig unboxing, styling, customizing review. This wig was from a seller on Amazon. The seller is VSHOW, VSHOW Human Hair Collections. So I actually saw a YouTuber reviewing this here on Amazon and I really loved the hair, so I reached out to her and I got the link and I went ahead and I purchased the hair. This is my first time buying hair for myself on Amazon because I'm skeptical about like real quality hair from Amazon. So if I did not see somebody buy it before, I would not have gone ahead and buy it. So we're gonna do an unboxing and the styling of this wig. The box is torn because I went ahead and I opened it because I had to see what was inside first. So in the box we have, on the inside of the box, to be a brand ambassador, you share your video on your YouTube channel, Instagram, you tag them in the pics that you have taken, and all their links are there, their WhatsApp, Facebook, email, and Instagram links, so you can check them out. Inside the wig box we have the hair, and this hair is 20-inch straight hair. 20-inch straight hair. So we have the hair there. We have 2 pieces of wig caps here that we got, and that's all. Okay. And then they're in their card information here. As I said, their Instagram, their Facebook link, their WhatsApp number, so you can go ahead and check them out. If you do buy their hair, they want you to tag them in the photos that you have taken. So they sell human hair wigs, transparent wigs, short bob wigs, full lace wig, whatever type of wigs you want, you can get it at VSHOW Hair, and it is 100% human hair. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take the wig out and see what the wig looks like. Okay guys, so this is the unit fresh out of the bag. I have not done anything to it. I just went ahead and placed it on the mannequin head. So as I said, it is a 20-inch straight unit with the bangs. Yes, with the bangs. So straight out of the box, I can say that the hair is really glossy. I did not add any product to this hair. The hair is really glossy, and I had like minimal to no shedding of this hair. It's not like 180% density, but sometimes straight hair initially it appears a bit thin, and then after you've worn it for a period of time it gets full or gets fuller, or once you wash it it actually gets fuller. So straight out the box I would probably give this hair maybe a 7. I see that the bang probably need a little bit of work because some areas are uneven. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush it out on the mannequin, and then I try it onto my head and see how well it fits. Guys, so this is the wig on without me doing any customization to it as yet. As you can see, the bang is a little bit too long for me, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the bang down, and as I said before, the wig is a little bit thinner than I would have liked it to be, but we'll work with it. We'll work with it. So I'm going to go ahead and customize the bang, and then I straighten the hair and come back. I have gone ahead and I'm done customizing the unit, and I must tell you, I love this hair so much. The hair is soft, it is lightweight, there is like minimal to no shedding from the hair. It may be a little bit thin for some persons. As I said before, sometimes you get straight units and they are pretty thin, but after wearing them for a period of time and washing them, you actually notice the volume of the hair actually coming through. So don't be alarmed when you if you actually get the unit and it is kind of on the thin side. Not very thin though, because we ain't paying no money for no thin hair around here, right? But a little bit of thinness is fine with straight hair. So I flat ironed the hair, and I just went over it once with the flat iron. I didn't do too much. I just did a little bit of trimming on the bangs. I did not want it to be too short, but if you want your bangs to be shorter, that's fine. You can customize it the way how it suits you. This is the way how I choose to wear it now, so probably later on in the future I may go a little bit shorter, but for now this is the look that I'm feeling and I love it. I just went ahead and did a little bit of makeup because part of my silly face, I worked 12 hours last night. I am tired, but I had to come and do this wig review because I was really anxious to see how the wig would look. So if I'm missing my words, I'm sorry. Girl is tired. It is true to length. As I said, it's at 20 inches, so it's right on my bust. So this is the back of the hair. It's so nice, guys. I love it. This is actually maybe like my third time ever wearing bangs, and alright, sis is cute, sis is banging with them bangs. I really love it. So if you want a affordable unit, 100% human hair, not hard to maintain, all you have to do is flat iron or go through with your hot comb. You can go ahead and purchase this hair from Amazon. The vendor is VSHOW, so you can go ahead and check them out and get your affordable but cute unit for the Christmas, right? We're gonna be banging this Christmas, literally banging. Alright, so this is the hair. As I said, I really like it. I'm gonna give it some more time and see how the volume comes through, but running my hands through the hair is so soft, it is silky, and as I said, there is minimal to no shedding from the hair, no tangles. I have not had to actually detangle the hair since I took it out of the bag, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And all I did was added some argan oil, heat protector, smooth and shine polisher, so the hair can have a little bit more gloss to it and silkiness. But as I showed you before, when the hair was taken out of the bag, it was pretty glossy. I really didn't have to add much to it for it to get this sleek, shine, glossy look. I just added some of the heat protector to it, so you can go ahead and check them out. If you go ahead and purchase this wig, and let me know how you like the unit. Tag VSHOW in your pictures on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to our channel if you're new. If you're not new, thank you for coming back, and we hope that you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. subscribe, send your friends to subscribe, send your family to subscribe. We're going to be coming with a lot of content for you, a little bit of everything, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching and have a good day.